Welcome to the Manatee Strike Zone simulation. In this simulation, you'll investigate how the location of boat ramps and docks affects the likelihood that a manatee will be hit and injured by a boat propeller. Additional factors you can study include migratory patterns based on seasons of the manatees, the total number of manatees, and the type of boat encountered by a manatee. Notice that 3 separate zones appear in the simulations. Boaters need to move from a dock in one zone to a dock in Zone 2 and then a dock in Zone 3. To do so, first click on a location of a dock in Zone 1, hold down the mouse and drag it to a location in Zone 2. Then release the mouse. This will create a dock location in each zone and outline a path between them. Next, click on a location in Zone 2 and drag to Zone 3. These are the paths that all boats will follow. To start the simulation, click on the Run button. The elapsed time and number of strikes displayed in the upper right-hand corner provides ongoing data for you to record and analyze. The Pause button, which toggles with the Run button, can be used to stop the simulation so you can collect and record data. The Restart button clears the number of strikes and elapsed time in the simulation. To change a dock location, simply click on Zone 1 and drag to a new location in Zone 2. Do the same thing for Zones 2 and 3. The Number of Manatees slider allows you to change the number of manatees in the water. The minimum number is 5. The maximum number of manatees is 20. The Seasons radio buttons give you the options of changing the time of year and collecting data based on different manatee migratory patterns. You can also use the radio buttons at the bottom right-hand corner of the screen to change the type of boat encountered by the manatees.